Pod players, frumpy dump, frumpy dump, frumpy to the motherfucking dump. I declare, honey. What a disgrace. So, Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team has filed a motion to delay his trial that's supposed to start on March 25th in the Stormy Daniels hush money case. Now, he's trying to use presidential immunity. Y'all, you can't make this up. He already tried that. He lost. And now he's going to try it again. Please, grab your tea. Have a seat. Let's get into it. So as we know, honey, Frumpy Dump is headed to court for his first criminal trial on March 25th. Now, this is related to that Stormy Daniels hush money. As we all know, honey, it is being alleged that Frumpy Dump paid Stormy Daniels $130,000 to be quiet on their relationship when his wife was pregnant with their child. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Now, like I told you, Frumpy Dump already lost the presidential immunity claim. He tried to argue for presidential immunity. However, he lost because he was not president at the time. He was just campaigning for president when this alleged hush money was paid. So he lost and then he dropped it. But now he's trying to argue on the basis of the evidence. He's basically saying since they're going to be using tweets from when he was president and different things like that, then that should allow him to use his presidential immunity. So today, Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team asked the judge to adjourn the New York criminal trial indefinitely until his immunity claim is heard in his Washington, D.C. election interference case. As we all know, that is before the Supreme Court, and they're supposed to hear oral arguments later in April. I believe it's April 22nd. So Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team is arguing that some of the evidence that Manhattan prosecutors plan to introduce at the hush money trial include messages he posted on social media in 2018 about the money that was paid to Michael Cohen. But he posted these when he was president, and that constitutes official acts. Players, this is ridiculous and a hot boo-boo shitty mess that we are literally sitting here having a conversation about Frumpy Dump actually arguing that he had presidential immunity on things that happened when he was not president because he talked about them when he was president. Make it make sense because it fucking doesn't. And what's even sadder is that this motion just might be granted because the Supreme Court is actually willing to listen to this hogwash. His attorneys literally argued that Frumpy Dump could basically take somebody out the game, but because he wasn't impeached for it, he shouldn't be held accountable because he was president at the time and he has presidential immunity. Make it make sense because it will never make sense. Players, y'all know my opinion isn't the only one that matters. I want to know yours. What do you think is going to happen with this case? Do you think that it's going to be put off because of Frumpy Dump's argument? And what do you think the Supreme Court is going to think about this whole immunity situation in which they will be hearing arguments, I believe, on April 22nd? Y'all put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. I just don't know anymore. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.